Hey Clayton, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with Mary the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you three things that you could do to increase your traffic online and maybe, improve upon your website a little bit. So with that, let me get started. You guys are doing a lot of good things. You got click to call, you got your form submits, right here on the first page. A lot of great things that you're doing here. The one thing looking through your site that there's not a ton of stuff here in terms of content, and content is pretty important to be found for specific keywords. So like if you're wanting to be found for like roofing contractor Cedar Park, Texas, which is in your heading, so you're doing a great job there. um, Having those keywords there are big. And looking at what you're ranking for, I only see you ranking for one thing in the top 100. Well, actually three it looks like, but dog roofer, park roofing, and deer park roofing. And you're just not high enough to really get much traffic there. And looking at some of the traffic here in like roofing Cedar Park, Texas, roofing Cedar Park roofing, roofing company Cedar Park roofing company. There's quite a bit of volume here for roofers in the area. And if I wanted to rank for, say, roofing Cedar Park, right, I would have that as a heading. I would have it within my text. I might even save an image as that keyword. And what happens is when Google crawls your site, they see that you have that keyword verbatim in a couple of different places throughout your site. And it allows you to rank faster, more efficiently, and really start bumping up those rankings. So really important to have those keywords somewhere throughout your site, and really in a few different places. And then um, content is in fact a ranking factor. So if you look at sites like Wikipedia and Yelp, one of the reasons why they do so well is that they have a ton of content. So, content's important not only for being found for those keywords, but also for ranking. My second tip usually revolves around your Google business profile, but you guys are doing a really good job there. And I would assume that's where a lot of your quality leads are coming from. Your number one here. The So with that, my second tip would be to potentially run ads. And the reason why I would say run ads is because everybody searches differently, right? Right now, I see 3 ads at least being run in for this particular keyword ahead of you. So you're like the fourth person to come down, right? When they search, it's here, 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 and then here. So running an ad gets you above the fold, and everybody searches differently. Some people click on the first thing they see. Some people like to come down here to the top three, which is, great that you're number one. And then some people go down to the organics, which, you guys are struggling to rank in. So because everybody searches differently, you kind of want to give yourself different platforms and avenues to get, you know, a variety of different searchers. And ads are a great way to get above the fold. You can have set up a landing page, have people go to an area that's just built for conversions, click to call only ads. Like, so there's a lot of things that you can do here, and the ads are a great way to pull in traffic. And usually, you look at about 5 times your average spend for is what you can expect out of the ads. So really a good way in which to get traffic there. And so that would be my second tip, is to, potentially run some Google ads. My third tip would just be to revolve around building the strength of your site. And again, it goes back to, everybody searching differently, right? Some people go all the way down to these organics, and, you guys are ranked number one here, but you can't be found anywhere else. And that makes life tough for getting traffic organically. And how you really build this up is by adding referring domains that send links back to your site. So right now you have 8 do follow links that are sending uh, power to your site. And this is what it looks numerically. Typically, you want to be 20s, 30s, 40s, and a 1-to-1 ratio. And just to show you what that looks like, This is Cedar Park Roofing and Water Damage, and they're at 38 and 12, and you can see they have 326 referring domains, and 266 are do follow links, and they are ranking in more keywords, and they're getting quite a bit of traffic, 76 to year one. So definitely a lot of things that you can do here and build and grow. And if you wanted to head into like Austin, there's another 20,000 searches that you can go after, and start working for through Austin, and get it starting to rank for that once you can compete in your own area for the SEO for the organics. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments. We would love your feedback. Any feedback you can give me would be greatly appreciated. I also have a link to our Google Calendar. You can schedule out some time to talk with myself or my business partner Jackie at whatever time fits your schedule. But thanks for listening. I appreciate it and hope this helps. God bless.